Well, that front that gave us the severe weather on Friday and those showers yesterday evening is now down to our south. That's allowing the wind to shift to the northeast, and it's allowing the wind to really pick up too. We're looking at an east-northeast wind of 15 to 20 miles per hour now down here in southeast Florida, but it is gusting as high as 25 to 30 miles per hour. And believe it or not, it's actually going to pick up a little bit more as we head later on into the afternoon. Right now, it is currently 73 degrees in downtown West Palm Beach, 69 degrees in Fort Pierce, about 72 degrees or so in Boynton Beach. And on this wind that we're dealing with this morning, we're seeing some isolated showers come on shore off of the Atlantic. We were dealing with a lot more in the way of rainfall about an hour and a half, 2 hours ago, but now we're relatively dry. We're just seeing some isolated showers bubbling up down here in South County and moving quickly inland. The hour-by-hour forecast for the rest of this morning calls for a coastal shower right along the coastline, but it's not going to be a washout. It's pretty much what we're dealing with right now. Those really light, feeble showers quickly coming on shore and quickly falling apart, too. They only push maybe like 3-4 miles inland before they fall apart. The wind is going to be the big story for us over the next couple of days. It is already windy now, and it is going to pick up. We can see sustained winds of 20 to maybe even 25 miles per hour. Much higher gusts this afternoon. It does subside a little bit overnight, but then the wind picks right back up tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, and this is leading to some beach and boating conditions, some dangerous beach and boating conditions, because the wind combined with a long period swell coming in, well, that's just not looking good for us. So right now, boaters, 7 to 8 foot seas right offshore. That's for our entire viewing area, and our entire viewing area is under a small craft advisory too until tomorrow morning. Seas 7 to 10 feet, probably higher than that when you start getting way offshore. Inland waterways will be choppy. That wind will be coming in from the northeast at 20 knots. High surf advisory at the area beaches. Surf will be overhead. Rip current threat is very high because of that wind and that swell. In terms of rain, it is possible we could see an isolated shower this morning, sure, but then drier air comes in this afternoon, and this evening looks beautiful. And then we start tomorrow morning with a few more showers, so make sure the kids have an umbrella as you start getting off to school. Then when you pick them up, looks fine, nice, sunny and dry, and your drive home tomorrow afternoon looks pretty good as well. So here's the 7-day forecast. Isolated showers this morning, isolated showers tomorrow morning. Then that drier air is definitely being felt on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Our next weather maker approaches on Friday and Saturday, and that looks to give us better rain chances as we head into next weekend.